Hello buddies, let me show you guys how to make the simplest popcorn ever, and this is your salt popcorn. For those that don't like sugar popcorn, you can make this. Just add in some vegetable oil into your pot, then you add in some salt. Okay, so once you're done adding in the salt, you go in with your corn. Okay, this popping corn. These corns are kind of smaller than the normal corn that you see for others that used to make pap and all that. So once you're done adding your corn, you mix it very well with the oil and then cover the pot. Make sure you cover the pot airtight. Now you make sure that the heat of your cooker is high. So place your pot on high heat, and at a point you will start hearing the sound or getting the sound of the corn popping. Then you start shaking the pot. Okay. Now you keep on shaking the pot from time to time. At a point you can lift it up above the hot plate or your cooker and keep on shaking it, because you don't want your corn to burn inside. Okay, your popcorn to burn. So once you stop hearing the sound of the popping sound of the corn, then you know that your popcorns are ready. Okay, then you're going to take it off from the heat. That's just the simple and the easiest way to make popcorn. This is the salt popcorn you can enjoy.